Okay. Hold on. Let me redo the share. All right. All right, so entries. Let's go over entries. Let me clear all this. EU's been selling for a while. It's been selling for one, two, three, 4 days. Because this is the daily time frame. So since it's
I
been
got you.
selling for 4 days, I was like, man, we can't sell a whole week straight, like a whole 7 days just selling. And we're ultimately in buys because you see we're up here. Further along, we come up here. Further along, we come up here, here. Like we're just going up, 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 up. That's all I'm doing. We're just going up. But we don't need all this. This is just letting us know we're going up. And I'm still on the daily. So that
I
lets
got
us know, boom, done. Well, there's nothing else we need to know about the daily. We see buys. On the overall on this 4 hour, I understand that we have this big selling thing going on right here currently. I fully get that. But overall, we're buying. Until
you.
we break below this, break below this, or break below this, then because we can do the selling all day, every day, but at some point it has to take over with the overall trend. And this is just a deep retracement. It's just a really deep retracement. So since we're on the 4 hour and I see we made a stop at this price right here, and on the 4 hour, we bounced up, went up, came down. Hold on, let me make it. You can see it, right? Clearly.
Yeah. I'm looking at it, man. My bad. I'm
Oh, you're
quiet, but
good.
I'm in it.
You're
I'm
good. I'm
in
just
there.
making sure. I'm just making sure. All right. So as we're coming down, you're probably gonna say, well, how did you know like this area right here? Well, we didn't come all the way down here because I'm not gonna go in the middle of it. So we didn't come all the way down here. Okay, if we didn't come all the way down here, then you give me no choice but to play right here. Why am I gonna play right here? Even you told me, you said you would have felt you would have did 800, which is a way better than I did. I was at 900 for my entry. 800 is way better. So we already did our dailies on the buys. Why we're in the dailies for the 4 hour. So all I'm already looking for buys. So all I did was look at the chart bouncing already over here. So I only have to guess that if I'm going to be putting buys anywhere, it's going to be right here at this area. This 900. I said 900, you said 800. And that's how that buy came about. The
And
whole
see, and yeah, and that's how I feel like I get. Well, I don't know. I catch, man. It seemed like, man, I'd be too late basically, and
you
I
know
think
what
and I
the
yeah, that's what I keep feeling like. I'd be too late, and then I'll catch, or I must be too early because it seems like, man, no, I feel like I just be too late because I feel like I keep getting, wicked out, uh, just like that damn counter there. If you look at the time, man, I wonder what time that counter. I wonder what time that's on.
10 a.m.
Yeah, yeah. So that's that long wick candle. What time is that? That's
9.
9 o'clock. Yeah. So
Mhm.
I'm mainly in my trades, man, around about 6:30, 7 o'clock. I'm looking at the market and I'm trying to, man, go and analyze my chart. But if I'm at a spot like this, I
Mhm.
would feel like I missed it, and then I would get in, and then I'll get wicked out, just
My
like that.
thought process, because everybody gets wicked out. I get wicked out. Everybody, like, there's nothing that you could do about that. But my thought process is that's why we have it short and sweet on our drawdowns. Because, like, just saying, if you have $1,000 account, if you took a loss on $100 because you just took your L on $100. If your next trade is right here and it obviously doesn't break through, then you made all your $1,000 back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The
So you
only
do,
way
so my
the only
bad.
way the only way you blow your account is if you doing more than 100, for example. You're doing like 300, 400, 500 to where you blowing your whole account.
I got you. I got you. So you do re-enter. You don't just you keep
If
analyzing and re-enter.
I have to analyze because I'm only going to re-enter if it didn't even come down here and waked out right here and came all the way back up and then it came right here, shot up in my profit and it came right here. You tell me it came down just a little bit of drawdown. Like I'm not in something crazy, so why not? Like I'm not down here. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like I'm
yeah. And
still at, and it's not like, oh, where is he? I'm still on 900. I'm not going nowhere. Like I'm not going nowhere. I'm on 900. So if it came all the way down here to 800, of course I have to get out. Of course. You know what I mean? But no. If it's at 900, comes down a little bit, shoots off in profit. I wish every trade that was taken was a straight in profit thing. But I have, you got to go and draw down somewhat, I guess.
yeah,
Some
yeah.
trades are straight profit, but not all. Rarely. You know what I mean? Straight
Yeah,
pop.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I done got over that mentality.
Yeah.
I know, and in my eyes, man, I be feeling like sometimes, man, you gotta go down and draw down the same amount that you're trying to fucking man, catch sometimes in my eyes, but
Yeah, don't ever do it like that. Because if you're trying to catch 1,000, don't try to lose 1,000, lose 100. Never try to lose what you're trying to catch. That doesn't
and
even, you
just
know what I mean?
and just keep re-entering. Just keep re-entering. Because
If it
I
makes
I
sense. I'm not saying re-enter. I'm not saying re-enter right here or re-enter right here or re-enter right here. I'm saying if we are talking about a conversation of buys and we're talking about a conversation of it didn't pass right here, and the whole conversation of it came down, but it still did not pass right here. Well, right here, we
yeah, I
still don't
mean,
have no candlesticks that went past it. So that means, let me clear all this. So that means we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, but we never passed here. We never passed here. That's my only conversation I need to have with myself to know. It's like I'm not saying I always re-enter. I'm saying does it make sense to re-enter? Because if it's down here, it does not make sense to re-enter.
I got you. Would you flip bias?
I hate doing it. I don't like it. To be
You
honest,
don't like it.
it makes you want to get out. Because then at the end of the day, man to man, you're playing the game of buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And
I got you.
you're already lost. If you're doing that, you're lost. You know what I
I
mean?
got you.
You're 100% lost if you're doing buy. Oh no, it's sell. Oh no, it's buy. You know what I mean? Like you're lost. You might as well get out the trade because you're lost.
Man, that makes sense. Yep. That makes sense. Okay.
What else you got for me, brother?
Man, that's really all I mean, I understand everything else, you know what I'm saying? It's just the entries, you know what I'm saying? And it's just them
Let
entries,
price
man. I
come
would
to you.
just
You already know the answer. Let price come to you because you told me 800. So let it come to 800.
that makes sense, bro.
You're trying to rush it. So if you three candles up, then either you lost out on it or it's not your time, but wait for it to come back. You chasing it. You wait for it
Yeah.
to come back.
Okay. That makes sense, bro. Is EU man the only thing you trade now?
For right now, yeah, because it moves so smooth. Like, look, we still buying bars and it's going up. Like it's shooting up as we speak, just because it just moves smooth.
Yeah, it makes sense, man. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, I bought this morning. I ain't lose this morning. You know what I'm saying? It was just I was just I don't know what made me, man, just go back because I just felt like I was missing them. And the last 2 days, I took some L's,
Mm-hmm.
on my sales and man, my holding. My trade Zilla, man, say I need to hold trades longer.
Mm-hmm.
You know, but
I wonder how high this gonna go. because it looked like it's already gonna break through that.
Yeah, it's been trying to buy, man. It's been trying to buy back up to I would say 18,500 in my eyes.
I'll,
Well on my chart is basically what I got.
I'll follow it with you for sure.
Yeah, I think
Well,
18,500,
shit, you
man.
called the signal. So what? You gonna start a signals? You called it?
Man, he said,
Yeah.
man, I got this shit. I got too much shit going on, man. I'm trying to find the
See,
simplest way, man, to do this shit, bro,
see,
man,
and
so I can just implement this shit in what I already do.
I get it.
You
So,
know what I'm
so when people
saying?
ask me, I'm gonna be like, no, now I'm gonna ask you. How about me? Oh, no, I ain't got no time to do all that. Da, da, da. Shoot,
Oh no,
why give me
no.
a job? Why?
Yeah, no, no. I don't want to I ain't trying to give you a job. I was just wondering, I was just trying to I was really just trying to, man, pick your brain for your mentality on just, you know, teaching this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just wondering why you just teaching it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I
Mhm.
ain't, I don't even, man, I don't bother you. You know what I'm saying? I just watch, you know what I'm saying? Take my jewels and keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? But I
Yeah,
wouldn't even follow, man. I wouldn't follow a Discord or a
yeah.
chat or anything because I don't like all the noise. You
It's
feel
noise.
me?
That's why I do
Yeah,
everything face to face. It's just
yeah,
noise.
man.
And but I'm done trading in the morning, like probably about 6, 7, 8. It really depends when the trade takes off or trade, moves in my favor, or if it's a losing day. But other than that, everything's done in the morning, so I got the rest of my day until I got to pick up my girls or drop off my girls from school. So, or I go out to eat just because I'm hungry.
Yeah,
Like,
that's some fly shit, man. I like how you go with your homeboy, man, to the fine dining. That's
yeah,
fly.
man, I'm
Yeah,
chilling,
that's
man.
fly.
But yeah,
But
man, that's it.
hey, but I do appreciate it though, big homie, man. I still been, I'm still around, bro. I'm still learning this shit, bro. But I really want to take this, and just let it be it. You feel me?
Mhm.
Because it seems like, man, you can eat off this. You know what I'm saying? Change your
Mhm.
life.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah. So appreciate it, big homie, man. I ain't gonna take up no more of your time, bro. That's all I
Mhm.
really needed, man. I just wanted to figure out your mindset, man, on how you just enter,
Mhm.
the trade.
If you want to
Uh,
hop on a Zoom call next week, just text me, let me know. Or this week, you let me know. Text me and let me know.
Man, I don't be one like I said, man. I appreciate it, man.
Mhm.
I like your videos. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I ain't trying to bother you, nothing, because I know time is money, bro.
Yeah.
Honestly, I just needed to know. I just wanted to see kind of your mindset, man, on just how you enter them
Mhm.
motherfuckers. And that's really it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna waste your time with nothing else unless I do come up with something, I see. But the shit's so simple, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's
Mhm.
simple, it really ain't too many, man, questions you got. It's just how you gotta execute. You just gotta
Yeah,
execute.
yeah, for sure, man.
You know.
You cool with me posting this on Instagram or something?
No, I don't probably ain't no problem with that, man. Don't nobody know me. Hey, just type my name. Don't put my name. Don't let my name, man, be shown.
All right.
I don't even have, man. If you even know, I don't even have, man. I ain't never even really had social media, bro. Facebook, Instagram, none of that shit, bro. And what I do have on there, I'm Michael Lewis. You know
Hmm.
what I'm saying? So I just don't want nobody to see Michael Little. You know what I'm saying? That's
I
it.
got you. I got you. All right, man. Just let me know.
Hey, I appreciate it, big homie.
All right, enjoy your day.
Man, you do the same, bro.
All right.